Welcome back to Web Education, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can convert your document into any format of your choice. The first thing you should do is go over to the browser and type in onlineconvert.com. After typing this in, this is the site you shall be directed to. As you can see, you have all the tools that you need. So since you want to focus on only converting our documents, just come and select here. But they have a variety of other tools. As you can see, you have an audio converter, a web service converter, software converter, a video converter, and many more. But since you want to focus on document converter, just come and click on the document converter right here. After clicking on it, you can see you can convert your document into any format of your choice. I will come and click convert to doc. You can see at the top, just come and click choose file and choose the file of your choice. Yeah, just choose the file of your choice that you want. After choosing it, the file will appear right here. As you can see, my file has appeared right here. Just click on, after choosing your file, just click on start. After clicking on start, now give the file a moment to be uploaded into the database, after which you'll be able to download it. As you can see, the site is loading as the file is being uploaded. There it is. Let's give it a moment. There it is. Now there is our file. Now this is how you download the file. You can come here and click this arrow. As you can see, you can upload your file to Dropbox or upload it to Google Drive. For me, we'll choose Google Drive. Just come and select upload to Google Drive, then click allow. And then after that, you will see your file has appeared right here. As you can see, there is my file which has been ticked. Just come and click on download. Click on it. After clicking on download, therefore, you can go and save your specific file. And that is how you convert your file into any format. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, because it will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching once again, and good luck.